I'm Dr. Rochelle Miller. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Today I'm gonna give you a sneak peek what I have been up to. Well, I have not been download the other continuation of my project from this beauty room because I was working a lot on my computer jobs, plus being ill with my diabetics, which is a very bad, sometimes getting very bad and feel tired. I don't want to just do nothing but being in bed. And yeah, I keep working in this project, which is a lot of work to do. I need to put some decoration here that I was talking to you the other day, and I was visiting Home Goods and I do some shoppings. Let me show you sneak peek of what I got, and it's amazing because it's just like the same color and the same style of line of my wall, my beautiful pink wall. Look at this from Home Goods. Like, oh my god, when I saw this, like, and the frame in gold, which I like it a lot, and the same line, and I got two of these plus other stuff that I'm gonna be show you in a minute, but not the whole thing. I'm gonna make another video to show you my entire Home Goods shopping in different days, of course. So let's go and show you what I've been put it together before actually to do my Home Goods video. They have a lot of good stuff. I recommend that store, really good for shopping for your home decoration. It's nice store. And everything here is changed once in a while, but this is pretty much what I've been decorate. I try to put all my brushes here, which I have more than this. This is what I use the most, except for this one that I just put it for decoration. I don't even want to take it out from this. And I'm still working in that shell, decorating. Probably this is gonna be for more brushes, and this is gonna be pretty much like that. This is on Michael Kors with steel leather, and I need to use those products in a video that I'm gonna show you later. And I need to do a video from that bag from Sephora that is old. I'm making that shopping long time ago, and I have another bag from MAC products, but I'm busy, so it's so hard to put it together everything. Of course, this is not going here. This is going to be in my other side of my office that is in the area. I just put it together my printer today, and of course this is one of my beautiful, because I have two. So this is one. Oops, I take it out. Going down. Okay. It's beautiful. Love it. It's just like the walls. And this is my Tower of Eiffel. Of course, this is not gonna be like that. This is a vino. I love it. This you can put here like taller products, like your foundation is long, and so this is new too. And these two, I bought that one at Home Goods, and then these two I bought it at Home Goods, and I put it together, because I don't want to buy the IKEA. Since I don't want to buy the IKEA furnitures, I already have this furniture, so I'm gonna put it on top of that, and it's two of those, each one coming with 3 drawers, and it's perfect to put more palette. I have more room for more palette. These are my 2 steel leather recently that I bought. And then today my makeup, I make it with these 2 palettes, this Naughty from Kylie Jenner and this Too Faced chocolate, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how it look like. And so yeah, I'm gonna put more Eiffel Tower here stuff, so this is gonna be changed. And this one I'm gonna move it to the other, in my other side here, and I'm gonna put another stuff here which have like the Paris Tower Eiffel decorations, like those boxes. And that is a project. I'm gonna paint those because I don't have no green decoration here. I'm gonna paint it in gold. The whole frame that is in green is gonna be gold. It's brand new, you see, but I bought it a couple years ago. I just opened stuff and I got it there. I probably have like a 5 years old, but this house is a project always. So the other section that I put it again together is this is my lipstick area, chopstick, lipstick collection from Steel Lauder all the way down. And it's also some MAC, some Clinique. It has some MAC, Clinique, what I can see. Maybelline, Morphe, Revlon, Chanel back there. Those are Chanel in the back. And a lot of Mary Kay. Yeah, I was cleaning and put it together this section here. This is my makeup that I use the chocolate bar palette from Too Faced and the Naughty palette from Kylie. And some of you may have those, some you may know because I bought it a long time ago, but it's like today was the first time, believe me. The first time I used that Naughty palette. It's unbelievable. It's been set up forever and I'm very busy. Sometimes I don't have time. But yeah, you can see probably I using 10 colors in between both to get this look, and I love it. Was some pink and some orange and then some brown and then became like this. And again was this Naughty palette from Kylie Jenner from a previous Christmas. And then the chocolate Too Faced, which I love this one. I love this one. I have few palettes from Too Faced. I don't have too many palettes from Too Faced, but I love the brand. It's really good quality. Look at this. The last two eyeshadow I used was actually from that palette, which is this one and on top of that right there. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. The look is perfect. Well, yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for being with me and to be part of this channel. If you are new again, welcome to this channel and please subscribe. And if you like this video, thumbs up. Remember, my dream is to grow in this channel as bigger as I can, but it's taking a while. I'm very busy, but I'm gonna start making more room for my channel, for this channel that I love it so much. I like to share my stuff, part of my life and what I'm doing, and it's just for daily things, so I can teach you stuff, of course, and finish a second book, which is a Rochelle's beauty book, and that one is coming sometime before the ending of this year, which is a very good for you if you're interested in beauty, skincare, makeup. It's gonna be a good book for you. But now I'm gonna be editing the final chapter that I'm re-editing right now for my novel in Spanish, The Green Bird. Is El Pájaro Verde en español. And I'm gonna be translate that book later in English, so you can read it in English if you speak English. If you speak Spanish, you're welcome to buy it from Amazon. I'm gonna let you know as soon as it's back to the Amazon website. What else? I'm gonna be posting this video first before the other two when I was working in this room, because I still don't finish, so I have to do an extra final video when I put all these new decorations completely in this room and I finish. This never gonna be finished. Always we upgrade, but when I feel satisfied to make like a beauty room tour, makeup video collection channel to this channel. Sorry. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and until the next time. Bye.